everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for maintaining steady energy and overall health foods that help keep your insulin levels steady. If you've ever felt those energy crashes after eating, this is for you. Let's get started. First up, fruits. Apples are fantastic. Pair them with some peanut or almond butter for a satisfying snack. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are also great. They're low in carbohydrates and high in fiber and antioxidants. And don't forget avocados. Yes, they're a fruit. Loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Next, let's talk vegetables. Broccoli is a superstar. It contains sulforaphane, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage also contain compounds that might promote insulin sensitivity. For protein sources, eggs are a great choice. They're full of protein and healthy fats without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. Fish like salmon, cod, and tilapia are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. And don't forget nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They're high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Whole grains are a good addition to your diet. Opt for brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they digest more slowly compared to refined grains. Oats, in particular, are high in fiber and beta-glucans, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. When it comes to dairy, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice. It's high in protein and calcium and has a moderate impact on blood sugar levels. Cottage cheese is another good option, providing protein and calcium with minimal impact on blood sugar. Legumes are also fantastic for maintaining steady insulin levels. Black beans and chickpeas are high in fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals with a slow digestion rate. Lentils, similarly, are rich in fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, and they also digest slowly. Lastly, let's not forget about healthy fats. Avocado oil and olive oil are excellent sources, as are nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Remember to consume these foods as part of a balanced diet and in moderation. And always bear in mind that individual responses to food may vary. It's a great idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice. That's it for today, folks. Keep these tips in mind to keep your energy levels steady and your body happy. Until next time, take care and eat well.